Hello guys, here's Madam OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create an interesting drawing that will look like a stained glass, like Rosetta windows in those beautiful medieval Gothic churches. So let us start with that we need to have a piece of paper, and I would use a regular drawing paper of white color. Then I would have, of course, pencil, lots of different color markers, and then Sharpies or regular ones, highlighters would be good too, and different objects that have perfect circles. Also the ruler, and we will look for it in a second. So let's start with creating the perfect circle. So I have the plates here, a number of them, and I'm trying to put them perfectly in the center. Excellent. Now I want to find out where's my center. I want to have another one. Since I have the circle, then I have to adjust the other one in the center, and I will create another one. Wow. Notice I can go with the pencil, quite strong lines, and that should be okay. I can have another circle here. I can decide if I will need it. I have another one using this object. So I will have 1, 2, 3 circles already. That helps me to, those 3 help me already to create quite interesting design. Now you can use the ruler. I will use this beautiful triangle, and then I will create one line. Let me see. Oh, that's not going through the center. Ooh la la. It's here more. Okay, one, and then the other one through the, not exactly, notice what I've done. So to make it, so I have to change it. It's not the circle. So what I have to do, I can look, it will be somewhere here. Good. So I'll create another line here. Very good. And the other one I have to remove, but I will do it later on. So now I have to find where's the other one. So probably there. And I want to have another line. Yeah, voila. Then I want to cross definitely through the center. It's up to you. I'm creating now design for my Rosetta window or for mandala, whatever you want to call it. So what kind of design can I apply? And I think it would be interesting to have a different design. So here I design this shape. Okay, I will have this shape here maybe every second. So center, we can see how different they are. Ooh la la. Doesn't need to be perfect, right? We also work on symmetry here, so we want to really make sure that everything gets done in even number here. I like what is happening there and in the center, but I want to create like a flower. One. Then I will have another shape coming here, then another one there, another one here, another one there, and then going back. Very good. And then I can create this center the way it is. I can bring the lines stronger. Good. Then we will go into the opposite, right? So here and there. Notice. Wow. Now center here, going there and going there. Now in those parts I think I would love to have some circles. So we'll have one, or maybe this section here. So I'm using any object that helps me to create the shapes I want to have. So one will be here, another one, once we have those shapes, then we can decide for making it more interesting. Now we can go to the center and add some additional elements. I think I want to bring kind of leaves, see, like this, something happening here, and then another one part I mean, there's a very symmetrical. That's the key. Very good. And then we have the center here too. And I'm not so sure if I like it like this. I create another shape here. You see? Wow, that looks interesting. Okay, so one like this. It's up to you what you will do. I'm just showing you my own version of the design for such a window or mandala. What can we do on this side? Maybe we'll put smaller, and this time rather than by the hand, smaller circles, and then you can repeat the shape of the flower. Okay, look at this. Wow, so much going on. Now, I think that we need something here as well, because it would be boring. So in these left spaces, you can decide if you want something here. I would just will leave it the way it is. I think it's already very, very rich. So now you have to decide which color you go inside. And you go on top of the lines. So for example here, I think I want to have black. I really need to have stronger contrast. The another good addition will be the use of highlighters. I make now wider some of the lines. Okay, we can start working on color application, but before that I will erase the additional pencil lines. This particular design looks like a true Rosetta window design. I just have to make sure that the colors that I will apply will nicely contrast each other, thus creating an interesting effect. Fantastic. I like to use highlighters very much. So I have those three. I have nice pink colors. I have purple. Black, of course, would be always a good addition, but we should have already plenty of the lights. So let's start. And we will repeat the same color combination, so that means we have to go with brown to the other three sections. Left. I will avoid white surface of the paper picking up through, so every second. Good. I like what's happening here, and I like certainly those dots. I make them a little bit bigger because they certainly add to our image. And the same here. Very good. And those. And even if we want to, let's see what will happen when we will have them. Yeah, just all what you have to do then is to use black marker and go around those dots, or those now circles. Good. Fantastic. So now our job is to cut it out. Very good. You can see it. This couple, I'll show you how to fix it. So when I see that there are some white spots, I can go on the edge and simply cover them. Here I have my paper there, and I can decide where my image will go. I can use the hot glue gun, or I can glue it just using the glue stick. Very good. Let's see. I will try to keep the same distance, but I think it's okay like this. Very good. Then we can cut the other part, but we can do it another time. So you can see how interesting the image looks like. So I hope that you enjoyed working with me, and now it's time for you to create a similar image on your own. Have a good day and see you next time.